Hello and welcome, students. Today's lesson is about countable and uncountable nouns. By the end of this video, we are going to differentiate between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. First, we need to know what is a noun. A noun is a word that names something, such as a person, thing, place, or an idea. An example of name is Sam, place, Paris, idea, love, thing, table. And so we know that nouns can be countable and uncountable. Let's explore what does this mean. Count nouns. Count nouns can be counted as one or more, such as book. Book is singular, but we can make it plural because we can count books. We can say 2 books, 3 books, 10 books. See what I mean? Same as table, it becomes tables. Flower, flowers. Cat, cats. Non-count nouns. Non-count nouns cannot be counted. They usually express a group or a type such as sugar, English, water, oxygen, etc. Here we cannot count sugar. It is a lot. Same to water and oxygen. These are not objects that we can count. It's time to have a talk about singular and the plural nouns. Singular nouns obviously express one thing. For example, pencil, car, tree. Whereas plural nouns express more than one thing. For example, pencils, cars, trees. Let's get to know the plural noun rules. First rule, to make regular nouns plural, add s at the end of the word, such as cup changes to cups. Rule number 2, if the singular noun ends in s, x, double s, sh, ch, or z, we add es at the end of the word. For example, box becomes boxes, bus becomes buses, bench becomes benches, and so on. Rule number 3, if the singular noun ends with y that has a consonant before it, we add ies, such as baby. It changes to babies. Bunny changes to bunnies. Rule number 4. If the singular noun ends with an o, we add es at the end of the noun. For example, volcano becomes volcanoes. Avocado becomes avocados. And potato becomes potatoes. Rule number 5. Some singular nouns do not change. There are exceptions, such as sheep, deer, and fish. And last but not least, irregular nouns do not follow rules to be pluralized. We change the whole form of the word. So nouns such as child, we change it to children, man to men, mouse to mice, and etc. Now it's time for a little test. Write the plural form of the following words. Pizza. What should we add at the end of this word? An s, so it becomes pizzas. Fox. It ends with an x, which means we should add es at the end of this word. It becomes foxes. Butterfly. As we said before, when a noun ends with a y and a consonant before it, we add ies, so it becomes butterflies. Tomato. It ends with an o. This means that we have to add es to make it plural. It becomes tomatoes. Rock. Here it is a regular noun that we can normally just add s at the end of it. Then rock becomes rocks. Very good. Now complete the rest of the words alone, then check the answer key to make sure you solved them right. And this will be all for today. Thank you for your time.